GRT at the time of this recording is seeing a bit of a short-term pullback, and it continues to hold within our key area of support between the $0.164 and the 0.1478. And on today's video, I will be discussing the key areas of support that we need to continue holding, and above all, discuss whether GRT is a dead coin. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And for those of you that might want to take a trade on GRT, you can check out BitGet, which is my go-to exchange. And all you need to have for you to register for an account is an email address and a password. And alternatively, you can also use your mobile number to register for an account. Getting back to the charts, I want to start the video here on the daily chart by first giving you my long-term price prediction analysis, where you can see that last year we got our bear market lows and started an aggressive bounce to the upside in a move that gave us a high above the 0.4947 in a move that I have been terming as an Elliot wave count 1. And after we picked in an Elliot wave count 1, I was expecting that we are going to see a bit of a short-term pullback in these Elliot wave count 2, whose minimum target areas were given by connecting the fibs from the bear market lows to the high that we made above the 0.4947, giving me a minimum pullback target area between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.78, and that is between the 0.2877 and the 0.1678, which is an area that we have now fully maximized. And in my previous videos, I have been saying to you that the last line of support on the Fibonacci's is the fib level 0.88 that lies above the 0.1284, which is the area over here. And you can see that in this massive breakdown move in this wave 2, we have continued to hold above the fib level 0.88. And as long as we are holding above that key area of support, there are very high chances that we are going to see a massive recovery to the upside in an Elliot wave count 3. And once we have a high in that Elliot wave count 3, we can expect a short-term pullback in a wave 4, then continue pushing even higher in an Elliot wave count 5, possibly taking us to new all-time highs. And in this Elliot wave count 3, there are chances that we can easily see more than a 6x to the upside, and that is based on the trend-based Fibonacci, where if I connect the Fibonacci's from the low of the first wave to the high of this Elliot wave count 1, then drag the fibs to the low of the second wave, I get a minimum target area for the third wave at the fib level 1.618, and that is above the 0.7809, and based on the current prices, that is more than a 5x to the upside. So that is my long-term price prediction analysis. And for me to consider a worst case scenario here on the GRT chart, I need to see GRT lose the fib level 0.78, the fib level 0.88, which I have said that it lies above the 0.1274. The moment we lose that key area on the Fibonacci's, that will be suggesting that in the next coming days or maybe months, we are going to see a total breakdown move, in a move that will easily give us a reset of the bear market lows that we made last year below the 0.07772. So that is something that you need to watch out for. But as long as we are holding above that key area on the Fibonacci's, there's still a chance of a bounce back. Jumping to the 1 hour chart, to the 4 hour chart to now give you my short-term price prediction analysis. I believe that from the lows that we made on the 6th of September, we started a very nice bounce to the upside, where we first picked in this 1-2 setup. And after completing the 1-2 setup, we continued to obey the Elliot wave structures, where we have now picked in this wave 1. And whatever we are seeing at the moment is a pullback in a wave 2 into the minimum target areas for the second wave highlighted here on the charts, which is an area that I came up with using the Fibonacci's. And this area lies within the golden pocket on the Fibonacci's between the fib level 0.5 and the 7.8, and that is between the 0.1646 and the 0.1477, which is an area that we have now almost fully maximized. And there are chances that we have the lows in place for this wave 2, and a bounce in a wave 3 is imminent, in a move that can easily get us back above the $0.24 in the next coming days. But we also need to have in mind that we can also get a sudden pullback in the next coming hours and break out of this target area to the lower side. And if that is the case, then that will mean that we have seen an invalidation of this 1-2 setup that we have here on the charts, and also increase our chances of seeing a reset of the bear market lows that we made last year, and also a reset of the lows that we made on the 5th of August. So that is something that I need you to watch out for, and continue paying attention to those key areas of support, and let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will be keeping you up to date.